All right, I'm doing up today, and I'm gonna fly a helicopter. This is my instructor, Isabel. She's getting the helicopter ready, and we're gonna go for a ride. Okay, I'm in the helicopter, about ready to start the engine. And we'll go for a flight.
Carb. Good. Clear. All right, tail is clear. Verifying throttle is closed, so I'm gonna go start, then both. Engine 50 to 60. Fire 50 to 60%. Clutch. Blades are almost turning. Give them a second. Blades are turning. Alternators on. And timer is started.
Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm done. I flew my first helicopter, and right before the storm comes in too. So perfect timing. That was a blast, guys. Amazing.